I was fully expecting him to drop the knife.
Leon.
I thought he was about to drop the knife and walk away. This man said,
That you did, Major.
that's supposed to be like a heartfelt thing that just happened here. I don't. With the lip quiver and everything. Fighting knife. What's that? Is that better than mine? Remember there used to be a time limit at this part? The whole thing would blow up. You had like 3 minutes to beat him. He really cared about him, huh? Bro, he not dead. Who's operating this gate?
Their defenses are no joke.
They're all gonna die.
That's gotta be their sanctuary.
Uh-huh.
Ashley.
I gotta walking in the middle too. Oh! The helicopter.
What was that?
Uh-huh. Bro got an RPG. Oh! That's what I'm talking about.